Hello, my name is Joseph and I'm the founder of Node-BOM. Today we're going to look at how to create a bill of materials for your Fusion 360 assembly. Now, this is going to be a very quick video. Fusion has made it very easy for us to navigate through their menus to get to a BOM. There are two things, however, that you should note. Is that one, of course, make sure you have assembly open. But two, you have to make sure your assembly is part of a project. You can do this through the File tab at the top left. Once you're all done with that, make sure you go on to the Manage button at the top, and then you're going to see a BOM button. I'm going to click on over to that. And if you see some text that says, oh, we can't do that, yada, it's because you have not added your assembly to a project. And it will tell you how to do so. Now, ours pulled up rather quickly. So these are all our parts, and we even have our sub-assemblies. And we have our thumbnails right here. We can even create a link for people to view the bill of materials here. And we can even export as a CSV and Excel spreadsheets. Now, it is pretty limiting as a BOM tool, all things considered, where you only can view part names. You can see his thumbnails, which is neat. But that is it. If you're wanting a bill of materials program that can help you with pricing, quantity, materials, descriptions, part numbers, please head on over to nodebom.com and try out the free software. I doubt you'll be disappointed, and that'll be all. Thank you. Bye-bye.